One of our viewers had a really great question. They asked what a noun is. So many of you may know about parts of speech, which can include nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. Now, nouns are people, places, animals, things, objects. For example, Chicago is a noun, lamp is a noun, tiger is a noun. Again, these are things. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. For example, big, beautiful, small, blue, colorful. Verbs are actions. For example, walk, go, swim, take, look. And lastly, adverbs are words that describe how you performed a verb. For example, quickly, or other words that end in ly. So I hope that answered your question. And please, if you have more, leave them for us in the comments and we'll definitely get back to you. Thanks. See you later.